Welcome to Easy Recipes with Dee. I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to make an easy dessert, which is a healthy snack and tastes a lot like Snickers. Ingredients that you will need today are dark chocolate, peanuts, dates, peanut butter, olive oil. Other things needed: 2 small bowls, foil, and a cup or a hard flat surface to flatten dates. First, we will get foil and cover the cutting board surface or your tabletop. Pour your dates out of the bag. Feel free to use as much or as little as you want. I have a bag of 100 grams of seedless dates. I start by opening them up, then flattening all of them out. You may need to do this more than once for the thicker dates. This is where you will flatten out the dates as much as possible. Use your strength here to get them as flat as you can. Remember, you may have to do this more than once. This video is brought to you by Travel with Us for Life, where we show our travels worldwide here on YouTube. With us traveling and moving to different cities and countries, kitchens and appliances will differ. I hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now that they are flattened, some are larger than what I would like, so I'm breaking them up to make them more of a small bite-sized snack. Be prepared to have sticky hands after touching the dates over and over again. Once they are all flattened, take a large tablespoon of creamy peanut butter and put it into the bowl. Next, it's time for the dark chocolate. I have about 16 small squares of chocolate that I used. In hindsight, using a bar of chocolate would have been a lot easier than individually wrapped. I had a little left over, so I would do a little less. I think it would be equal to a chocolate bar, at least the ones here in Japan that I have seen. Time to put the peanut butter into the microwave for about 30 seconds. It should be very creamy and easy to put onto the dates. With the chocolate in a bowl, put a small dash of oil in as well. This helps make the chocolate thinner and smoother with a better consistency. This will make it easier to coat the top of the peanut butter. Grab a small handful of peanuts and cut them into small pieces. Have these ready so when you finish putting the chocolate on, you can put the peanuts on. You want them to fall into the melted peanut butter and chocolate to stay in place. This is the perfect consistency for the peanut butter. Feel free to cut the peanuts as small as you would like them to be. Be careful as you first start cutting them. They may try to fly off the cutting board. You can see me trying to cover them to stay in place. As they get cut smaller, they tend to stay. Okay, let's put the chocolate in the microwave for 30 to 45 seconds. You may need longer, so keep an eye on it. It's finally time to start putting the peanut butter on the dates. I put a thin layer of peanut butter and it goes almost to the edge. This is your sweet snack, so feel free to put as much or as little as you like. If you have made it this far, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and leaving a comment, and let me know how you are finding the recipe so far. When getting the chocolate out of the microwave, stir it to be sure that there are no clumps left. If there are, put it back in for a few more seconds, depending on how much is melted. Now, let's put the chocolate on. Just like the peanut butter, I put a small amount, although I put a little less, so it's less sweet for me. I covered about half of the dates first because I did not want the peanut butter that was already on the dates to harden back up. As soon as you have put the chocolate on, put the peanuts on top. You want the peanuts to sink in and stay in place. Alright, let's finish the other half in the same order. Peanut butter, chocolate, then peanuts. If either the peanut butter or the chocolate has cooled down and hardened, be sure to put back in the microwave for a few seconds. For the final step, now that all the dates are finished, transfer them onto a plate or something that will fit into the freezer. You will place them in the freezer for about an hour. Okay, it's been a little over an hour. Now you can snack on them right away or keep them in the fridge. I hope you enjoy. Let me know how you like them and if you have any other ideas. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.